So you will have this little pop-up, and this little pop-up is going to have your DM. So it's pretty cool, right? So, you can open it up and you'll have access to it all. And then down here, you would just type it in, anything that you want to type in, and you could even attach an image. You can heart it, right? But we don't like to just send these hearts. We want to always write something else, right? So just for the sake of this little exercise here, I'm just going to write this to Sam, and there you go. Now, how cool is this? And this is how you can have all of your Instagram DMs on your desktop. So whilst you are working, you can be DMing. Seriously, who's excited for this one? This is pretty game change, right? For your productivity, I think this is amazing. So what else do I want to show you? I also want to show you how you can upload your IGTV videos from desktop. So when you are on this window, see here at the top, check this out. Aiku, I'm just showing the one that you really wanted, which is how to have the DMs on desktop. So if you are just joining back again, I'm now showing you how to have Instagram DMs on desktop. This is the plugin you are going to have. It's called App for Instagram with DM. DM extension, yes, it's a Chrome extension. Everything I'm showing you tonight are Chrome's extension. Chrome's extension? I don't even think that's how you say it. It's extensions. They are Chrome extensions. I cannot speak today. It's because I haven't spoken much all day today. That's true. I think this is like the first time I'm having a conversation today. I've been having a very quiet day. So all these are Chrome extensions, right? And this one is called App for Instagram with DM. Here we go. And now it's going to plug in this little pop-up here. Oh, the IGTV option is good. Yes, it is. So check this out now, right? Now I've got all the DMs here. I can open my DMs. I can reply to them. By the way, a quick one. If you are looking for the quick replies won't be available here. So sadly, that one is not here. I mean, that would be like super, super, super advanced. All right. So this is how you'd have your DMs. And I can even start a new DM. So I could click there and I could search for anybody that I would want to, and then I could send them a DM. So how would we now upload an IGTV? So you might have a lot of video content on your desktop and you might just want to upload it all from desktop, right? So you can do it. There's two ways to do it. You can do it from here. So see this little icon here? Do you prefer Chrome over Safari? Absolutely Chrome. Safari? No. You want to have Chrome because Chrome will have all of the Google Gmail Plus family plugins, right? So it's just going to be more beneficial for you. I'm going to click on this icon here. See this icon? I'm going to click on it. And this pop-up window pops up. And now this is going to let me to upload here my video for my IGTV. You can even upload your custom cover. You can write down all of the details, the title, description, the preview, where do you want it to connect. You can even save it as a draft if you want it, and you can post it. So with this plugin, by clicking here, you can even already upload your IGTV. So not only you can have your Instagram DMs on your desktop, which is epic. Extensions are the best part about Chrome. Fazal, I'm with you. I absolutely love Chrome because it gives us so many extensions. So here we go. Now we've got all these DMs here, and you can get to your DM game from your desktop. And what was the name for the extension to upload? So I'm going to put it up here again. It's the same one for the DMs. So here we go. App for Instagram with DM. If you want to have your DMs on your desktop. So by the end of this mini class today, there's going to be three that we are going to use. So you really are going to need 3. So I have these 3, and by the end of today's Instagram live, everything that I'm showing you, you're gonna need these 3 Google Chrome extensions. So definitely get on Google Chrome if you're not on Google Chrome. If you are on Google Chrome, this is just gonna be even more epic for you. So far, we've looked at app for Instagram with DM. This is the one we are in now, where we can have our DMs on our desktop. We can reply to all of them. We can create new ones. We can see requested ones. We can even upload the IGTV. It pops up here, and I can now upload my IGTV, and I can even save it to drafts, right? So let's just do a little review on the other one that we were doing. We were doing this one, IG stories for Instagram. So this was the first one that we were looking at. Let me put it up here again, this one. And when you download this extension, your Instagram desktop is going to look much different. It's going to give you all of this. You are going to click on it and you're going to pick go to Instagram or go to IG stories. If you click go to IG stories, you actually see all of the Instagram lives that are happening. And again, you can watch them on desktop if you want. Once they finish, you can download them, right? So here we go. I could go and also open anybody's Insta stories and download them, or my own. So if you want to download your own Instagram stories, see here, download all. It will actually allow me to download all of my Instagram stories. But if I go back to the plugin and I click go to Instagram.com, it's going to open up my Instagram. I'm going to go to home, and it's going to give me all of the Instagram lives at the top here. It's also going to let me download any images and videos that I want. So imagine if I would want to use this image, I could download it. You have to make sure that you are always crediting each person that you are using their content. Or if it's you, and if you have a video or an image that you want to download again, you can. Now, maybe some of you are thinking, hey, Alex, how do I download an IGTV video? Maybe you are thinking about that, right? Maybe now you're thinking, hold on a second, what about IGTVs? How could we download any IGTV video from our IGTV channel or someone else's IGTV channel, right? So sometimes I need to download my own previous IGTV videos that I've done. How would we do that, right? There's a way. I'm gonna show you, okay? Hold on. You are going to download another app, and this is, you can see it here. It's going to be Downloader for Instagram, okay? Downloader for Instagram. So now we are going to have 3 Google Chrome extensions. We are going to have this one, app for Instagram DMs, which is our Instagram DMs on our desktop, and uploading IGTV. And this one was the first one that we've done, IG stories for Instagram. We can watch Instagram lives, we can download Instagram lives, we can download any images and any videos except IGTV. So what if I want to download IGTV, right? I'm going to download this other extension, Downloader for Instagram, and it's going to open up this. And I can just put any URL here of an IGTV video that I need to download. So imagine, let's go back to imagine I want to imagine I want to now re-upload this video, which is all about, the algorithm 7 signals. I would go and copy paste the link. I would click here and I would hit start. Oops, hold on. I probably didn't get the right URL. You copy paste the URL. Here we go. You can upload your, I'm doing this with just one hand. 1 second, okay? Copy paste it. Let's do this one more time. Oh, that's strange. Because it works. I use it all the time. So I don't know what's going on. Why are you not wanting? Search or paste link here. Strange, I don't know. Everything is maybe weird tonight. It's like spooky weird night. I don't know. I'm gonna try one more time. And so I'll just sing for your entertainment. Okay, let's see now. Okay, I'm just gonna hit refresh. I mean, this always works. So here we go. I knew it would work. So that's how you would download now an IGTV video from your page or someone else's page, right? So if you want to download your IGTV videos or someone else's IGTV videos, you can. If you want to download your own pictures, videos, you can. If you want to watch your Instagram lives from your desktop, now you can. You want to download Instagram lives that have already finished, either your own or someone else's, without all the comments popping up, you now can. Instagram DMs on desktop, which legit, I think it's like insane, you can. You can upload your IGTV, but there's also another way to upload IGTV, guys, by the way, in case you didn't know. Let me show you actually. Okay. If you open your Instagram on your desktop without any extensions, by the way, you don't need an extension for this, and you go to IGTV. By the way, I lost all the previous questions. So if you have questions, please drop them on this sticker because I lost all the previous ones. It's sad. It's been a sad situation. I think our IG lives have ended twice tonight. So if you've got questions, drop them on the question sticker, okay? So if you go to IGTV, you will see here upload. So you can upload your IGTVs on your desktop without having SG letters. What's up? What's up? So many of you are like joining back again. So if you want to upload your IGTV content on desktop, you can without any plugins. Just go to your desktop, just open up Instagram, go to IGTV, click upload, and there you have it. So you can actually do this without any, Morocco, Sana, you are in Morocco. This is so cool. Thank you so much for joining. My sticker is missing, sadly, Sahar. I don't know which sticker is missing. So now you can upload your IGTV video. Seriously, wasn't this epic? This is like Instagram productivity on another level. So let me put up the slides here for you. Can we schedule IGTV? Yes, you can. You can schedule IGTV from Instagram Creator Studio. Did you guys know there's an Instagram Creator Studio? Let me see if I can open that up here for you. Hold on, let me see. Instagram Creator Studio. Yeah, so there's an Instagram Creator Studio, which is where your pictures, your videos are hubbed. Let me show you actually. I just got it open up here. This is like live class. Okay, so let me show you. So this is your Creator Studio, businessfacebook.com Creator Studio. You can just type in Facebook Creator Studio. So let me now just show you on Instagram. Let me just put it up here so I can show you here. 1 second. So now you are inside your Creator Studio. At the top you choose if you want Instagram or Facebook, and here you can manage a lot of things. You can manage all your accounts, you can see your analytics, and you can manage all your content here. and your IGTV. And if I remember correctly, when you click on IGTV, it should let you, okay, I found it. Okay. So for you to schedule an IGTV, you go to Creator Studio, you go to Create Post, you go to IGTV, you click IGTV, and now it's going to let you upload everything for your IGTV content. And when you see here, do you see here at the bottom? Instead of hitting publish, wow! Check this out. You can schedule it. Oh my God. My friend Tom is here. Oh, Tom, beijinho muito grande. So you can schedule your IGTV inside your Instagram Creator Studio. Isn't that pretty epic? So that was a bonus tonight. That was not on tonight's schedule. So now we've just learned how to schedule an IGTV video so that you guys can have them all scheduled out if you want to. Mimi, ghosty emoji, what up? So now we've learned so much. So let me put a little recap here of our little tricks for tonight. So how to watch Instagram lives on desktop, how to have IGDMs on desktop, how to save these lives, how to upload, how to download, and these are the extensions, the Chrome extensions you need. You need 3. You need the downloader for Instagram, the IG stories for Instagram, and then you need the app for Instagram with DM. So I hope you guys, freak out song is now appropriate. Okay, I can take requests. Maybe one